Shenzhen Boer Epoxy Company Limited, founded in 2006, has 15 years' experience in mobile phone accessories, consumer electronic stickers, and other epoxy products. We have 2 workshops, a dust-free workshop of 500 square meters for printing covers, silk screen printing, transfer printing, 4-color printing, inkjet printing, UV printing, bronzing. A dust-free of 600 square meters workshop for glue-dropping covers, 3 automatic glue-dropping lines. We also have 2 associate workshops, a mold workshop of 300 square meters, and an injection workshop of 1,500 square meters. They are all almost full automation. In addition, we have management team, sales team, professional engineering developers, experienced QC team, and many professional production staffs. To fulfill standardized production and provide better service to our customers, we have passed a series of certificates such as ISO 9001, BSCI, and CE, ROSE. Our AIMS customers cover global big brands and supermarket such as Disney, Casemate, Kate Spade, and Walmart. Annual output 3 million pieces mobile phone cases, 2 million pieces phone rings stand, 1.5 million sets electronics stickers, and 1 million sets epoxy wallpapers per year. Since 2019, we build inventory to provide the fastest delivery and better service for online retailers such as Amazon, Tmall, and JD. Our company's vision, craftsmanship spirit, focus on quality, providing supreme quality service to global brand customers.